Guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video I will show you how to fix when you are trying to make a call with your SIM card. If you are using SIM 1 and SIM 2, two SIM card on your phone, at that time your both SIM card is not visible. So the option is the error is showing no signal. As you can see guys, same problem I also facing. So let's get started to the video. So first, when you are facing this type of problem, close this and you need to enable the airplane mode for few seconds on your phone. After doing this guys, just disable it and then try to connect your call. It will fix your problem. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Now you need to restart your phone and remove your both SIM card and clean it and insert it back. After doing this guys, you can try this method also. You need to check your surrounding network. Okay, if you are there in that place, the network is not coming, so just need to change your location and try these settings. Open your phone settings, go to connection and open the mobile network like this, and in the network mode here you need to select your latest network. If you are using, you need to select 5G LTE for your both SIM card. Okay, and open the access point name and here tap on three dots and you need to reset it. Go back and open the network operator. You need to select automatically your network operator. If the option is already enabled, you need to disable it and enable it once again. You need to do this for your both SIM card. Okay, after doing this all thing, one more thing, you need to restart your phone one more time guys. Okay, after restarting, still the problem same, you can try the next method. Now you need to reset your network settings completely on your phone. This is the final method. So before resetting, you can try this method also. You need to remove your SIM card and insert it on your other device. Check your SIM card is working properly or not. If the problem is showing same on other device as well, at that time you need to replace your SIM card from your customer care provider. Okay, so if the problem is fine, there is no problem on other phone, only you're facing the problem in your phone, at that time you need to reset your network settings on your phone. Okay, find out the reset option and only you need to reset network settings. If the reset network settings is not working, at that time you need to completely reset your all setting of your phone. This is the last and final method. Also you need to check your phone software update. Okay, go to phone setting, go to software update, tap on download and install. If the update is available, simply first of all go ahead update your phone. After updating, it will fix a problem. So these are the easy and simple method solution to fix this issue. So that's all today guys, is a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.